Welcome back to Not Pro, but definitely not pro. As you can see from my latest videos, I'm definitely not pro, but I definitely don't know what I'm doing, and I'm definitely going to figure it out, or I'm definitely going to die trying, or definitely. Today I haven't seen much stuff. We're going to be putting on an oil filter adapter, I think, maybe. Making sure this area is all clean. Got some gloves because I don't want to get all this ultra black gasket maker all over me. But we're gonna try to get this all installed and one step closer to getting this fired up someday. Probably when I'm 90, maybe when I'm 93, I don't know. See if I make it that long. I got young kids, so what that means. They are trying to hurt me. I'm just gonna do it English spread on this, which means spread this gasket material put the gasket on. I'll put it on the side of the gasket then. A little too much on that side. A little too less on this side. I'll clean that up in a moment. I'll grab the wrong one. I kind of got to smush it in there too. There we go. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Make sure to get all that gasket material as much as possible all over your clean hand. And then I'm going to put gasket for overkill on the other side of it. And then we'll start strapping it on. This bolt is so good in my way. I love making a mess of everything. Don't block that oil passage. Alright, perfect. Perfect-ish. I'll put this back on. Oh, good, I got it all over myself. All over myself. Just how I planned it. And you're going to put the concave side out towards the oil filter. There we go. I'm going to probably put some oil gasket right there around that little rubber O-ring. Hi, French. Where are you? Anxious. They're having construction done at the house right now, which is great because everybody loves construction. I couldn't find a tightness on how tight looking through the books. so I'm just going to do 35. And that is in there. And I did put some thread on the inside threads. Hopefully make it easier to come off. There we go. And there's that. My hands are already covered. So does it matter if I get a little dirtier? No. I'm just doing this so that ring gets nice and in there and doesn't want to go anywhere or leak. It's probably overkill, but I'd rather overkill than underkill, right? Double tap. Halo, come at me. Alright, let's put this away. Oh, perfect. My hands are covered in black. Looks like I've been working in the coal mine my whole life. Hold on, pup. Look at the black lung. Cool. I'm going to come through and clean all of this. You guessed it. With my hands. Because if you're not using your hands, are you really using it? And it's about 80 degrees. California. So that should drop very quickly. Should be good. Hope you liked this week's video. If not, blame it on the alcohol, baby. There we go. So, all installed. I just cleaned up this. It's a nice surface for when I put the oil pan in its gasket on. Everything's torqued in. Just waiting on that oil pan from Summit. Just waiting. What do you think? Yeah, it looks like shit. But that's okay. Now here it is installed correctly. I didn't even listen to my own advice. I put the gasket maker around the rubber O-ring, and then I realized I had the plate on the wrong way. Flipped it around, cleaned all this up. Still a little bit of gunk I gotta clean up, but it's all tightened down, put her down in the right way. Told you it's not pro, just making things work with what we got and who we got working with it, more like it, right? Okay, next week, if I make it till then.